There we are, cooking up on the Bushbox XL stove. Doing corned beef hash, so I'm boiling up it's potato and onion. So it's the first time I've used this Bushbox XL. So I got barbecue briquettes in the bottom, 8 of them I think, and a bit of kindling on top, get it started. And so I just wanted to start, it's started to boil now, so hopefully let it die down a bit and then it will simmer till it's cooked, and we'll see. Yeah, it is now boiling properly now. It is. Right, I shouldn't have put an extra bit of wood on, so I can let that die down, and we just want to simmer really, but yeah. Alright. I really shouldn't have put that extra piece of wood on because it's going really nuts now. I'll die down in a minute. Yeah, I mean, they're nearly done. I mean, stick a knife in the potatoes and they're nearly done. So we're not far off. Oh, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe a bit longer. We're longer to cut them up and put them in, to be honest. Yeah. Right, I'll let that die down when this is finished. This last bit of wood is finished burning. Alright, come back to this in a minute. You know, look at that. Proper job. Bit of ketchup on there. Sorted. Yeah. Crikey, that was really quick. I mean, it was like, as I say, well, I mean, from first putting the pan on, it's got to be only like 15 minutes or something, and then the potatoes are going soft already. So, you know, by the time I got the corned beef open, cut it up into pieces, I just put the pieces in and then mashing it up. By the time I was doing that, it was yeah, it was all there. So strain off the water without losing the onions, and proper job done. There you go. Right, I'll get on with this, and I mean eating it. I mean, I haven't got the tripod out. I'm sorry. I think it's buried somewhere. I think it's buried in the. It's in the boot of the sidecar, and I can't be asked to get it out. So you're just like, gonna have to imagine me eating it. The stove is now it's just burning the coals now. That's a nice little glow. What's the time now? I think it's 5 to 9 now. Sun sets at past. It might still be going then, and we might get a nice bit of a glow in the dark. I don't know. Anyway, bit of ketchup on there. I'm going to eat this, and so yeah, catch you later. Right, got some water heating now for coffee. I think that's just about ready now. We don't need it massively hot. That's just with the coals in the bottom, the barbecue coals. I haven't put any more wood in. I've just left it, and it's heated that water. That's plenty hot. I don't like it. It doesn't need to be boiling. So that's fine. This is I didn't mention, this is the Bushbox XL Titanium, which weighs just less than half a kilogram. But anyway, say first time I've used it, so I'll go get hold of this without. There you go. All right. Yeah, proper job. Right. And I'm gonna, I'll put that on now as well. So I'll put some water in this pan and put that on as well, so we can wash that up. Anyway, there you go. Yep. So that was corned beef hash, which was so chopped onion, potato chopped up with the skins left on, because I've been eating, I eat potatoes with the skins on still. Half a tin of corned beef, a large tin of corned beef, mash it all up, eat it, simple as that. Very nice too. Now I'm going to finish off with where are they? What's of these things, which are Trek and Eat biscuits. I'll have a look at them in a minute. Here we are. Yeah, these Trek and but I can't read that. Trek and Eat. They're supposed to be like chips biscuits or that kind of thing. They're quite good. They taste exactly like rich tea. Well, they do to me anyway. They are quite hard though, so to save your teeth, I advise you to break pieces off rather than try and bite them. Break a piece off, put it in your mouth, leave it for a few seconds. It starts dissolving, then you can crunch it. Try and do it too quick, you might, you might risk your teeth. But anyway, there you are. Yeah, all very good. So I can't snap it there. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. Anyway, put some water in that, get that on for washing it, and that'll do. So that's this evening's meal all done. Oh, yeah. You can dunk them as well, of course. That works too. Well, a bit softer if you do that, but they are quite crunchy, but very nice. I'll have another one of these, and then that'll do for tonight, I think. Yeah. Right. Later.